So it happens that your father is doing a birthday, celebrating his 50th birthday, 30, 40, or your brother or your boss or your relation or your godfather or anyone that you cherish so much you want to appreciate. Yeah, I get your back. You can watch with me this beautiful, trending, fabulous main cake. I believe that after watching one or two, you would like to do for him. Keep watching. Wow, this is good. This one. This is beautiful. Wow. One thing you should know about main cake is this. You can find the one you can use with fondant and the one you can use with buttercream, and the one that is so simple you can use just fondant to form the balls and make it shiny depending on the color you like to do. Men's cake always go with golden colors. Some also go with brown, golden brown, blue, name it, black, or dark blue. I love that dark blue. I love it a lot. Keep watching. Wow. See that one? So beautiful. Whoa. Do this one. I like it. So, sweetheart, what else will I tell you? So far, so good. Make your better choice and surprise him. Let him to know how much you cherish him. Not only doing cake for him, don't forget to buy another gift to add it. But even if it's only this cake you do for him, by me, it is still okay. He will still appreciate it. What do you think? Am I making a mistake? I don't think so. Keep watching. Wow, like so you have seen it all. What else will I tell you? I welcome you to my channel, Mirian Dike. You can go ahead and see other cake of mine. I have shown the decoration, the designs you can do for your main birthday. If you wish, if you like to know more about my channel, you can go to my about and read more of me. Thank you so much for watching with me, and I'll meet you in my next upcoming video. But don't forget that in this channel, subscription is always free. Love you, sweetheart. Bye. Stay blessed.